Our vision for 2050 is to achieve thriving aquatic ecosystems that support food, energy, and public health for all.
To realize this vision, businesses need to accelerate deployment of the infrastructure and technology that will support universal access to water and sanitation all around the world.
We must ensure that everyone has access to safe, reliable drinking water and adequate sanitation and hygiene services, protecting people's health and well-being.
Everyone must recognize the true value of water and its critical role in our social and economic development. And this will help us to become highly efficient in our water use and work to minimize water pollution.
Circular water management will have to become the norm, with all sectors embracing strategies and emerging technologies to reduce, reuse, and recycle water and sanitation resources.
Global value chains must come together to tackle marine plastics and restore and protect water-related ecosystems.
Efficient international cooperation will be key to monitoring, enhancing, and protecting the quality of water bodies around the world.
It's time to transform.